Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we will learn how to do calculation inside the if-else structure. So this if-else structure can be used for doing some calculation also based on some conditions. Okay. So we will explain this with an example of a program. So here we want to make an application which checks the customer's bill amount and offer them discount based on the bill amount they purchase. Okay, so the condition is like all the customers who purchase more than 5,000 will get 5% discount and all others will get 1.2% of discount. Okay, so I have already declared the variables for the bill amount, discount percentage and discount amount. Okay, so in here we are just reading the bill amount from the user. So hope you understand these two statements. First is for showing the label to the user to enter the bill amount. Once he enter the bill amount, it will come into the variable b amount. So now I'm checking the condition using if b amount greater than or equal to 5,000, then what we need to do, we need to say like discount equals 5, which is 5%. Okay, then we will calculate the discount amount. We will saying like this amount equals b bill amount multiply discount divided by 100. So we are calculating the discount amount. Okay, and in the else part we will say like discount equals 1.2 and discount amount equals bill amount multiply discount divided by 100. Done. Correct. Now we have to show this to the customer, so we will say like cout, then after a line break you have a discount of, then we will say discount, then percentage. Okay, then we are saying like you saved out this amount out. Then please contact customer service. So this is what we want to show to the user. So we will make some line breaks here and at the end we will put a semicolon also. So here what we said is like you have a discount of whatever percentage which is decided by using the if, and you saved whatever amount which is calculated using the if. So let's try to compile this program. So the compiling is done with 0 errors and warnings. We will execute this program. So it is asking me what is your bill amount. So I'm saying like my bill amount is 4,500. So it is saying you have a discount of 1.2%. You saved 54. Please contact customer service. What if I enter something more than 5,000? So bill amount is 6,000. Then it is saying like you have a discount of 5%. You saved 300. Please contact customer service. So it calculates the discount amount and find the discount based on the conditions we have written inside the if. So from this program we can understand if is not only used for showing a text result, it can be used for showing some calculated result also. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.